So, Surfshark is quickly becoming one of the most popular VPNs, especially for first time users, because of the combination of value, features, and good support it offers. Basically, what it does really well is it gives you all the essentials the average person needs in a good VPN without charging you for more advanced features most don't use or need. But while it is one of the better VPNs you can get, it won't be the best choice for everyone. So today I'll discuss not only who this VPN would be best suited for, but also reasons you may want to choose something else. Now, similarly to many other VPNs, Surfshark does support mobile and desktop use. Both platforms are very user-friendly. And currently they have more than 1,000 servers across 61 countries. This means most countries will have multiple servers they can connect to. And while Surfshark has all the basic features you'd expect a VPN to have, it also has a couple standout features you won't necessarily find with the competition. For example, it has an optimal location feature which allows you to find the best and fastest server for you with only one click. The reason this is such a cool feature is that the closest server to you isn't necessarily the fastest one for you to use. So rather than having to connect to all the servers to find the fastest one, Surfshark has this one-click feature built in so that it can find it for you. And then another cool feature is the ability to connect to unlimited simultaneous devices with just a single membership or subscription. Now, in regards to online streaming and torrenting, Surfshark works great. It's perfect for unblocking Netflix, and it has specialized P2P or peer-to-peer servers to keep you extra secure while downloading torrents. So what this means is you don't have to select a special P2P server if you want to download torrents. Surfshark will automatically do this for you whenever you open a torrenting program. Yet another reason this is such a newbie-friendly VPN to use. So after testing Surfshark on a dozen different servers from around the world, including 3 from the US, there was no problem accessing Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, BBC iPlayer, and even Hulu. Now, Hulu did have some problems in the past, but that seems to have been corrected as it works great now. Also, Surfshark has really good loading time and really high quality video, which is kind of surprising considering this is a newer VPN compared to many of the other options out there. Then regarding speed, this is often one of the most important features when using a VPN, because without a fast and reliable connection, any feature you're trying to use can be pretty pointless or useless. But it's also important to note that there will be at least a little decrease in speed because they are adding a server for you to connect through. So after running several tests in over 30 different countries using a dozen different servers, the average was about a 5 to 10% drop in speed, and that's quite good. Ultimately, what that means for you is that this is an excellent VPN to use for doing any streaming, gaming, or torrenting. Now, when it comes to security, although Surfshark doesn't have a lot of security options, they do fortunately have the basics covered well. So you're getting things like secure encryption, DNS leak protection, and an automatic kill switch on all native apps. And this is an important security feature because it ensures you won't have any data leaks if your VPN drops unexpectedly. Now, a security feature I was pleasantly surprised to see is multi-hop, which gives you the option of connecting to 2 VPN servers at once. The concept here is they're basically running your traffic through an extra layer of protection by adding another server. This is a powerful way to increase your online security and anonymity. And it's particularly useful for unblocking geo-restricted content, such as while watching Netflix, or for extra security while torrenting. Another cool security feature is the Clean Web, which helps protect you against tracking, phishing attempts, and malware. Finally, there's a Camouflage Mode, which is an option if you want to use special servers to bypass internet firewalls or anything else trying to block you. This feature is particularly useful for countries that have limited internet access. So basically, it stops your ISP from being able to monitor what you're doing. Keep in mind, though, that this only works with OpenVPN such as Windows, Android, or iOS. It's also worth noting that Surfshark has very strong encryption protocols, including OpenVPN and IKE v2. They have an impressive AES 256-bit encryption rate. They don't keep logs, and they don't keep track of your specific user data. And probably one of the most impressive things regarding security and privacy is that Surfshark actually hired a well-known cyber firm called Cure53 to help them test and audit their web extension just to make sure it's secure. Basically, they wanted to prove that you can trust any of their security and privacy claims. So it's pretty cool that Surfshark actually voluntarily did this. Now, another standout feature of Surfshark is their support. One of the things I really appreciate about them is that you can use their live chat support to get help when you need it. And they're happy to troubleshoot any problems or issues you have. The wait times are also pretty quick. It's one of those features that's a huge plus compared to having to deal with either long wait times or going back and forth with a problem over email. Here again, it's just another reason this is such a newbie-friendly VPN to use. Now, even though there are a lot of reasons Surfshark would probably be the best choice for someone, it's not going to be the right fit for everyone. First, Surfshark doesn't have the most advanced features. For example, you're not able to change the encryption rate, change the SHA, and there's no port forwarding. But unless you're a more advanced user, and this is something specific you're looking for, it's not really going to affect you. Next, if you're looking for a professional security level VPN or a VPN with a lot of security options, Surfshark wouldn't be the way to go. Although there's plenty of robust security for the average home user, someone looking to use this in a more professional capacity will probably want to spend more on a VPN with more professional level security options. And finally, if you're a Linux user, then you may experience DNS leaks or transparent proxies while you're connected to Surfshark. So if you're in this situation, you may want to consider a VPN that's better suited towards Linux, which I'll include in the description below. But otherwise, for the average user, for anyone who's primarily after the basic features such as ad blocking, malware blocking, streaming such as watching Netflix, torrenting, or gaming, and you just want these done really well, then Surfshark is absolutely the way to go. On top of that, they're extremely newbie friendly. They have live chat support that's actually helpful and friendly to talk to, and depending on the plan you choose, they're one of the lowest cost VPNs available. So if you'd like to get started with Surfshark, I recommend using the link below, which will automatically apply a coupon code giving you a lower price than what you'll get if you just go straight to their homepage. In fact, it's the lowest price I know of currently available for this VPN. When the coupon code is applied, you actually get a 24-month plan for less than the cost of a 12-month plan, plus you get an extra month for free. So it's a huge savings, and it's a great way to go unless you only need the service for a month or two. Also, Surfshark provides a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have plenty of time to make sure all the features you want to use are working the way you expect and that you're happy with the service. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please leave a thumbs up. I always appreciate that. And remember to check in the description below, and I'll include any relevant links to the best price, also any promotions or discounts. If there's any coupon codes, I'll make sure to find the best ones for you, and again, put those in the description as well. Also, if you have any comments or questions, put those in the comment section. I love getting to answer as many of those as I can. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.